Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if you can connect your Bluetooth headphones to the DJI Osmo 360 in order to use them as microphone. Let's begin by first connecting the headphones. I have AirPods Pro 2nd generation, so I know that they do have microphones built in. Some cheaper or older Bluetooth headphones may not have a microphone built in, but these ones do. So let's slide down from the top of their screen, then go to the headphones here. Once you slide to the side, go to headphones, and you can connect them. Mine are already connected. I'll just forget them. So, they are unpaired. Okay, never mind. I'm not gonna unpair them. But if you put your headphones in pairing mode by opening them, then on AirPods it's opening them, then pressing and holding on the back button until they start blinking. Then they will be put in pairing mode. On different headphones it may be different. You can watch a video on our channel on how to put the headphones in pairing mode. Lots of different headphones have been recorded on our channel. Now, I'm gonna actually exit out of the pairing mode and just connect them to this device. They are connected. I'm gonna put them in my ears, so they are actually detected as in my ears. Then probably we need to go to the microphone. No, there's wireless microphone, and this is just for connecting the Osmo audio from DJI. So I'm gonna switch back to the headphones. And let's find the setting about the microphone. I don't really remember it, So let's go to settings, then go to... Okay, I'll just find it and get back to you. Okay, so they are already connected. You can see here at the top the volume levels, so that's great. And I just verified whether this volume level at the top is being displayed actually from my AirPods by simply first tapping on the device. You can see it rises ever so slightly. And if I now tap on both of my AirPods, it's way louder, even though the sound itself is produced way quieter, so it's just closer to the microphones. I'm probably touching the microphones right now, so that's why it's so loud. And yeah, you can use your AirPods as a microphone, or any other Bluetooth headphones that do have a microphone. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.